you guys. I'm making some tacos, and these are the tortillas that I'm using. And I have 2 half packs of mix, seasoning mix, and I'm going to pour that into the skillet. I'm going to keep the little oil that's in there. I'm not going to drain it. It's not a lot. It's just a little olive oil because I'm using 80/20 ground meat, so it's not going to be a lot of oil in that. So we're going to mix all of this around. I have some more if I need to put more in the skillet here. Um, this is my meat. Okay, let me show you my veggies that I'm going to put on it. I have yellow onion, tomato, peppers, green onion, and this is chopped olives. And I have here some cheese that I am melting to put on there, and some lettuce. And this is a holder. I have 2 of these. And let me put, wait just a minute, let me show you how this works with the holders. Let's see, easy opening. Here it is. Okay. Let me just show you what I have here. I'm going to move this out of the way. And this is how I will put my shells in. Okay, show the shells right here. I am putting them in the holders like so. And then I will put in, okay, these are the holders here. Show the holders. And once we get everything in, the veggies and the meats and all of that, I'll come back and show you what we have here. And as I said, this is the lettuce, and we have cheese melted. So we'll come right back.